Jenilyn Mercado talks about her new business ventures. Kapuso Ultimate star Jenilyn Mercado talked about her new business venture in a recent interview. Jenilyn's success goes beyond showbiz. She also found success in her personal life. The Kapuso actress is happily married to Kapuso drama king Dennis Trillo, and their blended family setup is working really well. In a recent interview based on the article in GMA Entertainment, Jenilyn flexed her new life achievement. Just recently, she launched their skincare product called DLN Skin. Dennis is full support to his wife's new business venture. Jenilyn shared in an interview with Kapuso Entertainment reporter Nelson Canlas on 24 Oras that she has several projects lined up. Abangan nila, meron akong guesting sa isang show. Secret. Basta panoorin na lang nila. And syempre yung album ko, ire-release na namin finally, natapos na namin after 2 years ng pagre-record, ila-launch na namin yung album. And hopefully, may pelikula, sana this year. The actress, who is also a singer, shared.